Good morning, everyone. I'm very pleased to be here. I would like to talk today about Arabic sentiment analysis problems and challenges. This presentation is organized as follows. The first section lays emphasis on Arabic sentiment analysis. Section 2 offers the Arabic sentiment analysis problems. Section 3 presents the Arabic sentiment analysis process steps together with a detailed discussion and description of the most important challenges in each step in Section 4, and the presentation is concluded with final thoughts in Section 5. Arabic sentiment analysis, often called as opinion mining, as it mines the important future from people's opinion. It has become one of the essential research domains whose application is clearly visible in a large variety of fields, especially in education, where sentiment analysis can be used to extract useful information about a teacher's teaching methodology. It identifies students' degree of learning, understands their needs, predicts their performance, and makes effective changes in style. Sentiment analysis results help teachers and schools take corrective action. As part of our Arabic sentiment analysis research project, we aim to give a detailed study of various problems and challenges in order to define efficient solutions and tools for this research field. Most sentiment analysis works focus in English language, with very few studies and very limited resources available for morphologically rich language such as Arabic. As a result, the Arabic sentiment analysis is one of the most challenging work. In order to explore these problems and challenges, we rely on detailed evaluation with sets of good aspects. This detailed evaluation is very important in that it would enable researchers who are interested in using Arabic sentiment analysis in their research projects to explore the major existing problems and challenges in Arabic sentiment analysis field and encourage them to contribute more in this field and define efficient solutions. Before starting in Arabic sentiment analysis process, many researchers find some difficulties and problems. Firstly, subjectivity. Since sentiment analysis is relied on subjective text, then objective text should be eliminated. Subjectivity analysis. Identifying the depth level of for the analysis. Should we rely on a single sentiment level to a document at all? Document level Arabic sentiment analysis. Should we take into account each paragraph individually? Paragraph level Arabic sentiment analysis. Or should we rely on each sentence or even each word singly? Other several recent work aimed to process Arabic sentiment analysis at the aspect level, aspect-based Arabic sentiment analysis. Identifying the classes to be considered in the Arabic sentiment analysis process, binary sentiment analysis, ternary Arabic sentiment analysis. Sometimes various researchers take into account fourth and fifth sentiment classes for situation where a post has spam or for the more difficult situation where post has mixed sentiments, both negative and positive sentiments or figurative speech. Identifying the source and the target of post, assigning an overall sentiment orientation to a comment may not be advantageous and useful to several applications without knowing the source and target of the comment. Determining the context. It is an important issue to consider. The location and time of reading a comment or post gives it a particular meaning. It is also very important to rely on the domain of the text. What is considered as a positive in the field of art may not be so in other domains such as politics. There are mainly five steps to analyze Arabic sentiment analysis data. This section presents the Arabic sentiment analysis process, collecting and processing data, text preparation, sentiment detection, sentiment classification, and finally presentation of outputs. This section discusses some of the major challenges in Arabic sentiment analysis process steps. It aims to present the most major challenges that meet researchers in various Arabic sentiment analysis process steps with a detailed description. Challenges in the first steps. Compared to the English language, there is a scarcity of Arabic web content and there is a lack of available dataset to apply sentiment analysis. Challenging in data processing steps. Due to the nature of Arabic being from right to left, analyzing emoticons is challenging in the Arabic text. Negation in colloquial or dialectal Arabic is different to modern standard Arabic as it can be expressed in multiple ways. Co-reference resolution is a major problem in sentiment analysis. It is unclear what the opinion or feeling is referring to. There exist several opinions, mixture of positive and negative sentiments. Unlike English, Arabic has no capitalization and there is no method available to detect Arabic names. Due to its syntactic and morphological complexity, parsing Arabic text is very hard. In modern standard Arabic, there are publicly available parsers like Sam4 Arabic parser. However, for dialectal Arabic, there is no standardization. Opinion spam is when an opinion is packed with the goal of misleading the reader. This is usually done in businesses to demote or promote a product. Microblogs like Twitter often include transliterated words, text in Arabic letters, and misspelled ones. Besides, hashtags and name mention are used in Twitter, which add noise to the dataset. Challenging in future extraction steps. Colloquial Arabic is different from modern standard Arabic morphologically, phonologically, and syntactically, which make part of speech taggers and morphological analyzers very challenging. Stop and negation can differ in dialects from modern standard Arabic. Sarcasm aims to mislead the classification. Detecting sarcasm is a very difficult process and limited works have been made on this topic. Challenging in analyzing application steps. Although many sentiment lexicon have been created for the Arabic language, it hasn't been conducted publicly available. Idioms and compound phrases are very used in Arabic text in social media. These phrases could may have a reverse meaning in various regions of the Arabic world and differ from one dialect to another. Arabic is a new issue in social media where the Arabic users use the Latin characteristic to express the Arabic words. Besides, sometimes they tend to switch between Arabic and English, making it very hard to identify if a word is written in is English or Arabic. In this work, we have explored and defined a large variety of problems in Arabic sentiment analysis in various domains, especially in the domain of education. Moreover, we have discussed in detail the major challenges in the Arabic sentiment analysis process steps. Thank you for your attention.